When I think about DXP and I think about what makes us different is the fact that we put together a group of technical products and technical services that makes us different than our competitors who are doing more transaction, commodity-oriented business. We are the solution to the customer's problems when it gets into more of the technical side of the business. And what that means is, and of course our slogan is that we're customer driven and that we're experts in MROP, maintenance, repair, and operating production solutions. And so that slogan is carried out through the expertise of our people, the different product divisions that we have, and of course our three segments being supply chain services and innovative pumping solutions and our service centers and super centers.